smiling. Hey everyone, welcome back to the A-Flow, your daily dose of financial freedom strategies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I want to talk about something that's been a game changer for many people, including myself: passive daily income. Imagine waking up every day with money flowing into your bank account without having to trade your time for it. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's entirely possible, and I'm here to show you how. Let me introduce you to the Digital Growth Community, a place where like-minded individuals come together to share knowledge, strategies, and success stories about passive income. This community is designed to help you achieve financial independence through various passive income streams. So why should you consider joining the Digital Growth Community and investing in my course? Here are 3 compelling reasons. First, proven strategies. In my course, I share tried and true methods for generating passive income. These aren't just theories, they're strategies that I and many others have successfully implemented. Second, step-by-step guidance. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, my course offers clear step-by-step instructions that make it easy to follow along and start seeing results quickly. And third, exclusive access. As a member of the Digital Growth Community, you'll gain access to exclusive resources, live Q&A sessions, and a supportive network of people who are all on the same journey as you.
Thanks to the Digital Growth Community and the amazing course, I was able to set up my first passive income stream in just a few weeks.
The support and knowledge I received here have been invaluable. Now I earn money even while I sleep.
If you're serious about creating a sustainable and profitable passive income, now is the perfect time to join us. Click the link below to learn more about the Digital Growth Community and enroll in the course today. Your financial freedom journey starts here. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. See you on the inside.